Hello and welcome to Fun in the Kitchen with April. And today I'm going to show you how to make pot stickers. Now this is a great appetizer for when you have people over. And seeing how it's Christmas Eve, I'm going to prepare my pot stickers a day ahead because tomorrow I'll have family over and this will be their appetizer. Okay, so for our pot stickers, we're going to use ground turkey today, but feel free to use ground pork or ground beef, with whichever you want to use. It's yours, so you make it how you like it. You're going to also need these wonton wrappers. We're going to use soy sauce, garlic powder, and some ground ginger. And I'm using the ground ginger because I don't have any fresh ginger. Fresh ginger, you could use that as well. And then we're going to use these green onions. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. We're going to add in, and as you can see, I started adding in the green onions. So we're going to add in the rest of these green onions into our turkey, our ground turkey. Then we're going to put a little bit of soy sauce on here. There we go. Not a whole lot because soy sauce can be salty. Next, so I would say for the soy sauce, you really want to put about a teaspoon, okay? And then we're going to take a little bit of garlic powder, and we're just going to sprinkle a little bit. And don't be afraid because, again, like I said, with garlic powder and onion powder, it's never too much. So you just sprinkle as much as you want in there. And that should do it. And then we're really going to sprinkle a teaspoon of ground ginger in here because ginger can be very strong. So then what you want to do is you want to go in there and you want to start mixing these ingredients up together. And it smells amazing already. I'm telling you, this smells absolutely delicious. And I just can't wait till this is finished. Oh my goodness, you can smell the soy sauce, the green onions, the garlic, the ginger. It smells like an Asian restaurant in here. So this is going to be really good. I'm really excited to try this. Just like that. You want to get it all mixed in there. Really, really nice. Real good. And you don't have to chop the green onions really fine because, you know, you want them to have a little bit of chunkiness to them, and that's okay. Okay, so I'm going to finish mixing this up, and then we're going to put these into our wonton wrappers. And I will see you in a second. Okay, so I've started making one pot sticker. Now I'm going to show you how to fill the wonton wrappers. Okay, so I'm just using one wonton wrapper because it's thin enough for me to fry it and steam it. And we want, being that our meat is uncooked, we need for the meat to cook on the inside. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to take a little bit of our ground turkey mixture, and you're not going to put too much because you don't want to overstuff it where you can't close up your dumpling, because essentially that's what a pot sticker is a dumpling. And then what you're going to do, and that's about as much meat that you want into your dumpling, okay? So then what you're going to do, you're going to dip your finger in some water, and we're going to go around the edges just like that to make those edges moist because we want our dumpling to stick. We want our wonton to stick. Okay? So what I'm going to do, now I'm going to hold it triangular way. Sorry, I'm messing up words today, but that's okay. And we're going to fold it just like that. Okay? Simple. This is not anything really hard. And so next what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a little bit more water because I want to kind of pinch our edges together like you would see your dumpling when you get it from the Asian restaurant. So that's why I'm adding water to make sure that it sticks together, just like that. We're just going to pinch it and make it look like a nice dumpling from the Asian restaurant. And this is how your pot stickers are made, just like that. It's not really hard at all. And you know, these also, you can make wonton soup if you wanted to. So you can make a nice broth and then drop these into your broth and let it cook. And there goes your wontons for your wonton soup. You know, there you go. So we'll do it again. I'm going to show you again. And I hope you guys have a great holiday. Like I said, it's Christmas Eve. And I'm just excited to make these pot stickers for my family. I'm making them ahead of time. I'm going to freeze them overnight. That way I don't have so much work to do tomorrow when everyone comes over, and they can have a nice appetizer. I'm just so excited. I love the holidays. I love spending time with my family, and you know, it's just great. It really is. And I hope you guys have a great holiday as well. You know? And for those of you who don't celebrate the holidays, hey, this is just a nice appetizer to make anytime. If you're having friends over, whatever, you know? So this is great. But I am really excited. I got my tree nicely lit up. I didn't put the music on the tree yet. My tree has a music box on it where I can Bluetooth music to it. So I didn't do that yet because my husband is in the living room watching TV. So I'll do that a little bit later and start jamming to some Christmas music. And we're just going to have a good time in here tonight as we prepare for our family to come tomorrow. My sister is in town from Buffalo, New York, and I am excited. Maybe I'll have her do the taste test for you guys. I'm sure she'd like to do that. But this is all you do. And there goes your dumpling. Now, I forgot to tell you, once we put it in the pan, we're going to put about a 1/4 cup of oil in our pan. And then I'm going to put, once I put the 1/4 cup of oil, I'm going to let it get hot. And then I'm going to put these pot stickers in there. But I'll show you that in a minute. But I wanted to tell you, a 1/4 cup of oil in your pan, and you want your pan hot. And then we're going to go ahead, once our pot stickers are nicely fried up, we're going to add a 1 3/4 cups of water into our pan. And we're going to let those pot stickers steam. And you're going to cover it and just let them steam up. And you're going to have some really nice pot stickers. So I'm going to finish making these, and I'll be right back. Okay. So I have my oil in here heated, and you see it's just enough to coat the bottom of the pan. And we're going to go ahead and stick this right on in there. And we're going to get another one. We're going to put a few of them in there. That's what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and put a few of them in here. There we go. And we're going to let them fry up a little bit, just like that. And once they start to, you see how it's browning? That's what you want. Just like that. Just like that. And I'm going to continue to turn them. And we're going to turn them and get them all browned up. And then once we get them all browned up, that is when we will add our water in. And I'm actually going to add 3/4 cup of water. And we're going to cover it and let it steam. And that's all that's to that. You see? You see how nice and brown that is? That's what you want. I'm going to turn it over again. Turn them all over again. Just like that. There you go. Absolutely delicious. I know it's going to be delicious. Okay, so we have our water added in. And we just cover and we put the heat down to low and we let it cook. Just like that. So once it's nice and steamed up, I'll come back and show you what we have. And here are our delicious pot stickers. And I am going to try one for you. I put a little soy sauce on the side because you kind of want to dip them in your soy sauce. That's really good. That's really good. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you go home and make some. Remember to like, subscribe, and press the notification bell so you know when the next time I have a great recipe coming for you. Happy holidays. See you later. Bye.